Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into 70 life lessons that can help you navigate through some of your toughest challenges. Think of these as guideposts, signposts on the twisting and often treacherous road of life. We're going to talk about facing your fears, about taking responsibility, about speaking clearly and precisely, and about learning to listen, truly listen to yourself and to others. Remember, it's crucial to approach these lessons with a grain of salt and see how they align with your personal values and goals. What works for one person may not work for another, and that's perfectly fine. The goal is to find what resonates with you, what speaks to your deepest self. Confront your weaknesses, they are the dragons to be slain. Speak the truth carefully and listen with open ears and mind. Do not let fear paralyze you. Step into the unknown bravely. Take control of your finances. Build a foundation for the future. Nurture your relationships. They are the anchors in life's storms. Seek your unique calling. Find meaning in the grand tapestry of existence. Embrace failure as a teacher. Rise stronger from every fall. It's not just about bouncing back, it's about bouncing forward, learning and growing through each challenge. Cultivate an attitude of gratitude. Recognize the blessings in your life. It's about seeing the glass half full, cherishing the small joys, and acknowledging the good that surrounds us. Commit to continuous growth. Strive to be a better version of yourself. It's a journey of personal evolution, where every step forward makes a significant difference in how we live and perceive the world. Forgive yourself and others, release the bitterness and move forward. Live by your principles, let your actions align with your values. Use your time wisely, it is a precious and finite resource. Direct your attention wisely, concentrate on what truly matters. Good things take time. Cultivate patience and perseverance. Find joy in the ordinary. Appreciate the small things in life. Prioritize your physical and mental well-being. It is the foundation of a fulfilling life. Show compassion and empathy. Make the world a better place through small acts of kindness. Stand up for what you believe in. Be bold in the face of adversity. Be true to yourself, embrace your individuality, and let your light shine. Strive for harmony in all areas of your life. Find equilibrium between work, rest, and play. Be present in this moment. Appreciate the beauty of the here and now. Accept what is. Let go of the need to control everything. Don't take life too seriously. Find humor in the everyday. Step outside your comfort zone. Embrace new experiences and challenges. Let love be your guiding force. It is the most powerful force in the universe. Cherish your family and loved ones. They are your bedrock of support. Cultivate meaningful friendships. They enrich your life in countless ways. Contribute to your community. Be a force for good in the world. Give freely of your time, resources, and talents. It is in giving that we receive. Dedicate your life to something greater than yourself. Find fulfillment in serving others. Apply yourself diligently to your endeavors. Success is born of effort and perseverance. Never give up on your dreams. Pursue your goals with unwavering resolve. Believe in yourself and your abilities. You are capable of achieving great things. Have a clear vision for your future. Set your sights high and strive towards your aspirations. Embrace your creative spirit. Express yourself through art, music, writing, or any other form that resonates with you. Think outside the box. Challenge the status quo and seek new and better ways of doing things. Never stop learning and exploring. Cultivate a thirst for knowledge and a desire to understand the world around you. Be receptive to new ideas and perspectives. Challenge your own assumptions and beliefs. Analyze information carefully. Don't accept everything at face value, but question and evaluate. Approach challenges with a solution-oriented mindset. Be resourceful and persistent in finding answers. Be flexible and adaptable in the face of change. Embrace new situations and find ways to thrive. Bounce back from setbacks and difficulties. Cultivate inner strength and the ability to overcome adversity. Pay attention to the present moment. Be aware of your thoughts, feelings, and sensations without judgment. Prioritize your well-being. Engage in activities that nourish your mind, body, and soul. Focus on the good in your life. Appreciate the blessings you have and cultivate a thankful heart. Release the burden of resentment and anger. Forgive yourself and others to find peace and freedom. Show empathy and kindness to others. Understand their struggles and offer support. Live by your values. Let your actions align with your principles and be true to yourself. Recognize your limitations. Be open to learning from others and acknowledge your mistakes. Find joy in the ordinary. Appreciate the small things in life and let go of unnecessary clutter. Connect with the natural world. Find solace and inspiration in the beauty of nature. Spend time alone with your thoughts, reflect on your life, and connect with your inner self. Let music move you. Find solace, inspiration, and joy in the power of sound. Appreciate the beauty and creativity of art. Find inspiration and meaning in various forms of artistic expression. Immerse yourself in the world of books. Expand your horizons and gain new perspectives through the written word. Explore new cultures and places. Broaden your understanding of the world and yourself through travel. Build meaningful relationships. Nurture your connections with family, friends, and community. Make a difference in the world. Use your talents and resources to contribute to something larger than yourself. Find your unique calling. Discover your passions and dedicate your life to something meaningful. Leave a positive impact on the world. Strive to make a difference that will outlive you. Believe in a brighter future. Maintain a positive outlook and embrace the possibilities that lie ahead. Find comfort and strength in your beliefs. Cultivate a sense of trust in something greater than yourself. Learn from your experiences. Seek knowledge and understanding to guide your path. Face your fears. Step outside your comfort zone and embrace the unknown with bravery. Never give up on your dreams. Pursue your goals with unwavering determination and resilience. Embrace challenges as opportunities for learning. Strive for continuous self-improvement and personal development. Be true to yourself. Embrace your individuality and express your unique gifts and talents. Find harmony in all areas of your life. Seek equilibrium between work, relationships, health, and personal pursuits. Be fully present in each moment, appreciate the beauty of the here and now, and savor life's experiences. Never stop learning, growing, and expanding.